Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love and very colorful makeup. I love indie makeup and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together, and I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, if you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoy whatever time we know spending together. If you do not subscribe, I will stand outside your window in the middle of the night and just throw pebbles and annoy you. Maybe release a cricket into your room or something. I don't know. I'll figure out something. Okay, I will figure something out. But today we are playing with the BellaBeauteBar X DeandraNicole Pinky Promise palette here. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a pink lover. I love pink so incredibly much. And like, look at this palette. Look at it. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. It is a vibe. We have my little pink turtle earrings in. We're just killing it with the pink today. So if you want to see how I ended up creating this look, see some swatches, hear my thoughts on this palette, and just do a little makeup time with me, then let's get into it. Hello. If you did not see the title, and you had to just guess by like this of what palette I was playing with today, I feel like it'd be pretty easy. We're doing Pinky Promises, like it says in the title, like it says in the whole intro. I'm super excited for this. Like, this thing is freaking gorgeous. I'm so excited for this. These shades are just absolutely stunning. That Promise Me shade is just... oh. It is a gorgeous. I'm super excited. I love the BellaBeauteBar formula. This is just so beautiful. I think we're gonna play with this today. I have this NYX matte lip balm I feel like we could play with. Yeah, we're gonna just hella pink it up today. I have some of these that I got in my Diveroon order, so I feel like we should add these in and just Pinkalicious it up today. Also, my earrings are little turtles. They're strawberries. So yeah, we're all pink. My bra is pink. My tank top's pink. My underwear are not pink, but we could change that. We can do this. Let's do this. Let's play some makeup. No, you guys don't know how excited I am for this. It's gonna be so much fun. Yeah, this palette is just absolutely gorgeous. I just swatched it. It is such an amazing formula, like always. I'm really excited to use that shade right there. I'm going to use it. We're going to use it. The Promise Me shade. I honestly don't necessarily know what I'm going to do with the mattes. I don't know if I'm like gonna lean like more here, if I'm gonna lean more neon. I honestly don't know. I guess we will see what path the makeup gods lead me on. But like, that is just such a insanely gorgeous shade. Is just, oh my goodness. And the shifts in there, yeah, I think maybe we'll lean a little bit more purpley in a kind of sense, but I honestly don't know. But either way, I'm super excited for this. It's gonna be so much fun. I just have it sitting on my finger. I'm gonna prime my eyes with some REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer. Then we're gonna set it with some Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I'm not gonna like do anything more than that. I'm not gonna put like an eye primer on. I'm just gonna do my regular activity and then plop it on, and then we like really will get the gist of it from my sense. And then after I've kind of like given you my first impressions, I will use like a glimmer grasp at some point. Not today, but like, you know, in a future video, because I think I'm gonna use this for Mishmash if you want to be here for Mishmash. But yeah, I'm gonna scooch you in and we're gonna do this thing. Okay, so like I said, I honestly don't necessarily have a plan. We're just gonna vibe and we're just gonna go. I do really want to use that shade right there that is called Oath. So I think I'm gonna take that and then pop that into the crease and we'll just work from there. So I'm gonna use my Rephr 01 here. Again, that shade Oath. Now that my eyes are primed, we're gonna take it right onto here. That is stunning. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's nuts. I think I'm gonna do the other eye for Instagram, so we're just gonna work on one eye for now. But I'm just taking a little bit more of that Oath shade and just packing it into here. Stretching it forward just a little bit, blending it out up in here. That's such a sick looking thing right there though. That's nice. I think to deepen it out just a little bit, we're gonna go in with that shade right there called Platonic. I had to like literally stop filming to be able to read some of these, and I can read cursive pretty well. It's just the whole small cursive that's really sucking. But I'm gonna be taking that on my Rougher 26 here, bringing it right into here and deepening this out. Just tapping it in here. It's so pretty. Bringing it up a little bit into that Oath shade here. Just right out in here. That's beautiful. Okay, we're gonna switch over to, where is it? My Unearthly A5 here, and just lightly, barely touching the brush to my skin, blending this a little bit out. Nice. Okay, I think I have some sort of a vision going on. I feel like Raven from That's So Raven. We're gonna go in with a little bit of that shade right there called I Swear. We're gonna be taking that on my Rougher 02 and taking that into right here. Just bringing it up towards Oath right in here. Blending the edges out a little bit right in here. Oof, you guys, that's gorgeous. Tapping in just a little bit more here, just because, I mean, we have a bright, fun palette of pinks. Let's make that shit pop. Okay, and then we're just gonna be using all the brushes of pinks. Okay, we're doing the whole goddamn thing. We're gonna be going in with a little bit of that shade right there that I'm pretty sure is called Bond. Again, it's hard to read the cursive, so taking that on my Rougher 13 and just bringing it right into here. That's pretty good. It's kind of messy, but it is what it is. We're going to switch back over to that Rougher 26 and kind of just bring this deeper shade up into here, just because we did lose a little bit of the depth in the crease here. Maybe going back in with just a little bit more of that Oath on that 01. Nice. And then I think going in with a little bit more of that I Swear shade in the inner corner, just to make it pop just a little bit more. Yeah, just to kind of stand out against like the rest of the mess that I have going on in here. Okay, now it is time for the shimmies, because duh, you know. Okay, we're gonna start by going in with that Promise Me shade right there, taking on my Rougher 21. That's disgustingly fun. Taking that right in here. Again, I don't really have anything primed in here. I have my concealer and the but like the translucent powder, but it's like essentially set, so it's not like really sticky. So yeah, just taking it into there. That's incredible. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of Soulmate here and just taking that and popping that right out in here. not a lot. Cleaning that brush off, really taking the other side and just melding those two together here. Nice. And then I think we're gonna go in with a little bit of that Sidekick shade right there and pop it in the inner corner area. So it is right in here. Again, same deal, wiping it off and blending it in. I think that is stunning. I do feel like I lost that like Promise Me shade a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with just a tiny bit on my finger and just amplify it. Yes, okay, that's stunning. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit of, if we're just gonna do pink, maybe not. I was gonna go in with this. It was a pink liner, but I think we will go in with maybe a couple of gems here. So these are from DeandraNicole Cosmetics. I just got them in my silver and gold order. I'm pretty sure they plop these in with any order, which is amazing. I love these. I still have my ones from the Bazaar, whatever one that they sent out. So yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple of these. I think maybe like the small ones, and just gonna plop them right in here with some of my lash glue. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. I'm gonna film this eye for Instagram, and then we'll go over blush and highlight details. Well, I guess I'm not doing highlight, but you know the drill. Okay, let's go over some details. I went in with this bronzer from I Am Beauty. It's the one in Out of Office because it fits me better than the Blaze one did. And then I went in with their blush, which is this one in Strawberry Nebula. I feel like it's like the perfect pink. The lighting, Minnesota's on its freaking period right now. It's being a mopey little dreary bitch. It sucks. But let's do this under eye. Yeah, all I did was just put those on there and pop some lashes on. Do some really crappy brows. But yeah, I feel like this is like a really good ass face. So let's do the under eye. I don't know what I want to do down there. Maybe let's start from the inner corner and then work our way out, possibly, question mark. Let me scooch in again. Do you like being this close and personal? We'll see. I think we'll go in with a little bit of that I Swear again, just like right in the inner corner. Going in with my Refer 03 and just bringing that like right in here. Right now. That's a good solid start. I kind of want to put a shim on top of that though, just because I feel like it'll really do something. But we're gonna go in here, I think, with that same Refer 03 and that Oath shade right there, and then taking that right out here. Switching to my Refer 23 here, and then going in with that Platonic shade right there. I'm bringing that right there. You know what I'm really excited about? I have to go with gas. And it's not even because it's like dreary and disgusting out. It's because the gas is freaking $4.29. If you voted for the dude that brought on this shit, get the hell out of my channel. But yeah, just taking that into here. Like, that's freaking insane. But yeah, just taking that right into there. And then I think, what did I put in there? I think we'll go in with that Bond shade just because right there. Taking that on that Refer 23 still. Just bringing that right here. Oof, yeah. That's fun. Okay, we need a little bit of some shim down on here though, because like I'm me. So I think we're gonna go in with a little bit of that Sidekick shade right there and just bring a little bit of that down below, like right here. Or just we'll go up like this. How about that? Yeah. Yeah, that was the move. Okay, I'm gonna go do this eye and I'm gonna figure out a lip and then we'll come back and I'll give you all my thoughts and opinions and all that goodness. Well, hello, look at this beat ass face. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, lip, I went in with this NYX matte lip liner and maybe it's not, oh, Brunch Me. And then this REM Beauty Glossy Balm in Strawberry Soda because, yeah, why would I not? Look at this lip. It is stunning. I love this look so incredibly much. This is so pretty. The lighting's being a butthole. That means I know that I'm having a good makeup day if the lighting's deciding to be like, hey, everything can't be perfect. But this is a look. Here's a little up close look at it. I think this is stunning. The shimmers in this are freaking crazy, but I mean, it's a BellaBeauteBar palette, so what did you expect? But yeah, this look is stunning. I love it. It is gorgeous. This is everything. I love it so much. Like, these pinks are everything. I love this. Okay, I love this. This is a 10/10. Okay, 10 freaking stars out of 10 freaking stars. I love this so incredibly much. Like, this is just incredible. I love it. Everything just works so beautifully together. It blends so beautifully together. It's incredibly well crafted and I'm not surprised. Yeah, and the packaging is so freaking cute on this. Like, I love this so much. I'm so glad that I picked it up. I love it. Yeah, I love this look. I feel like I look bomb as hell. I'm excited to go be the bossiest bomb ass bitch getting gas today. So there's that. Yeah, thank you guys for making it to this point of the video. I appreciate and love you guys so incredibly much. Thank you guys so much. I love you again so much. And just, I'm really appreciative of you guys sticking around, so just thank you. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit, to be homophobic, to be transphobic, to be racist. It's 2026. Put your head to your ass and do freaking better. And remember, morals over makeup, okay? Some of y'all really gotta be pulling that through your head. I see a lot of you still supporting anti-green. Figure that one out, because y'all are, yeah. But anyways, I am gonna go edit this. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna be filming another video and then going home and editing. But yeah, I'm super excited to be back. I'm loving this. I'm having such a good time. So just thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.